Hi all, Tony at Tony's Aviaries here. Just thought I'd give a quick rundown of the current bird shed, which we'll be adding on exterior like flight to over the next few weeks, month or so. But I just thought I'd give a quick tour of just the inside. Basically, it was a shed that was donated to me. I mean, somebody was chucking it away and just asked if I wanted it before it went to the recycling. So I thought, yeah, okay, yeah, looks okay, I can make use of that. So it was, like I say, it's an 8x6, so tongue and groove. So I insulated the insides. You just got like standard like wall thickness. I think these are about 2x2 or 50mm, and then in between I just filled in with like rock wool insulation, and then boarded the interior walls all around in this this blue ply that I got from work that was being like chucked in the skip. So all that was salvaged, so it's been painted like with like a waterproof like paint. So yeah, it was quite a few sheets, 12mm thick. So yeah, all the inside was boarded out with that. Insulated the floor, polystyrene, and then overboarded in the same ply. Ceiling was the same. So yeah, it's pretty warm inside, no drafts. And then yeah, built the interior like flight, which is 6x5. So currently housing Goldians, Starfinches, and 2 more zebra finches. I've got a couple of like stock or breeding holding cages to that side, to the opposite, and then I just like the sides here, just like got transport carry cages that are just on the sides. Down here we've just got seed bins just for storing the seed, tubular heater under here, electric points, got lighting up here. So we've got 2 types of LEDs in there. We've got a warm white and a cool white, which is 6,500 Kelvin, which is like pretty much natural like daylight. So there's one either side of this wall, and we've got a fan just up here. If, you know, when it gets warm, that comes on, so that's on a timer. Yeah. That's the seed winnoware that I knocked up myself, so that works pretty well. Just the electric points up there. And I just built some sliding doors up. Again, it's just ply with some 1/4" mesh. So yeah, I just leave them open, closed during the day, leaves the main door open on the outside, lets light and fresh air in. So yeah, all good. Lined out the door, and we've got a thermometer on here just to keep an eye on the temperature. So you can see today that's in the 80s, so yeah, it does get warm. So yeah, that's pretty much the shed, inside flight area. And we come out, and this is where the new Aviary will be attaching onto the side. back onto the Budgie Avery. Yeah, so I think it's like 9 by 9, 9 foot by 9 foot. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, folks, thank you.